day, there is only one person with whom you will spend every second, every minute, every day of your entire life. That person is you. Do whatever you need to do to ensure that you like this person. Respect your own boundaries. Listen when your intuition is speaking. Trust the voice of your higher self over the false chatter of your mind. Unlearn what you've been conditioned to believe. Unfold yourself from shallow boxes. Protect your peace at all costs. Walk away from where you are not valued. Remind yourself of your worth. Say no to negativity. Say yes to what lifts you up. Make the choices that align with your integrity. Be honest with yourself, even when it hurts. Especially when it hurts. Live so firmly rooted in your purpose that your faith in your light, the very heart of your existence, becomes unshakable. This is not selfish. This is honoring the deepest part of your soul. Discovering the love you have been seeking in other people was there all along.